Today's story is about a girl named Emma and an unusual thief who visits her home at every night. This engaged tale will help you improve your listening and speaking skills. After the story, we will go through questions to reinforce your learning. Let's begin. The story, which is about the girl and the thief. Here, Emma was a girl who lived alone. One cold, dark night, she was sleeping in her bedroom while rain poured outside. At midnight, a thief entered her house. Surprisingly, he was not there to steal money or jewelry. He wanted Emma's toothbrush. First, the thief went into the kitchen. Feeling hungry, he decided to prepare breakfast. While cooking, he made noise which woke Emma up. Startled, she grabbed her phone and called the police. Then she quietly walked towards the kitchen and saw the thief eating. They stared at each other and screamed in surprise. Emma asked, "What are you doing in my house?" The thief replied, "I just need a toothbrush and I was hungry." Emma, surprisingly calm, told him to take the toothbrush but asked him to wash the dishes. When the police arrived, they found the thief washing dishes and everyone ended up happy. Questions and answers. Was Emma a boy or a girl? The answer of the question will be yes, she was a girl. Where was Emma at the beginning of the story? The answer of the question is she was at home sleeping in her bedroom. What was the weather like that night? The answer of the question is it was cold, dark, and rainy. Did the thief enter the house during the day? The answer of the question is no, he came at midnight. What did the thief want to steal? The answer of the question is the thief wanted to steal the Emma's toothbrush. Next question is where did the thief go first? And the answer of the question is he went into the kitchen. And the next question is why did the thief prepare the breakfast? The answer of the question is because the thief was feeling very hungry. Next question is how did Emma wake up? And the answer of the question is she wake up because of the noise from the kitchen. Next question is what did Emma do after waking up? After waking up, she called the police and then went to the kitchen. What was the thief doing when Emma saw him? When Emma saw him, the thief was eating breakfast. Next question is how did Emma and the thief react when they saw each other? When they saw each other, they both screamed in surprise. What deal did Emma make with the thief? The answer of the question is she let him take the toothbrush if he washed the dishes. What were the police surprised to see? And the answer to this last question is the thief washing the dishes instead of causing trouble. Now let's move into the deepening comprehension. Let's revisit the story with more detailed questions to strengthen your understanding. Additional questions. Was Emma scared when she heard the noise? And the answer to this question is yes, she was frightened. Did the thief break into the house violently? And the answer of the question is the story doesn't say, but he entered quietly. Why did the thief want to steal a toothbrush? The reason is not explained, it's a funny twist. Was Emma angry when she saw the thief? No, she stayed calm and made a deal with him. What does the story teach us? The story teaches us that sometimes unexpected situations can end humorously. Could this story happen in real life? Probably not. It's meant to be funny and imaginative. What would you do if you were Emma? The answer to the question is answers vary because, for example, she will scream or I will run it extra. Why did the police find this situation so funny? Because the thief was washing dishes instead of stealing. What time did the events take place? And the answer to the question is at midnight. Did the thief harm Emma? And the answer to this question is no, he was harmless and just wanted food and a toothbrush. Let's practice vocabulary. Thief, a person who steals. Midnight, which is equal at about 12 a.m. Toothbrush, used for cleaning the teeth. Dishes, plates, cups, and utensils. Speaking exercise. Try answering in full sentences. If I saw a thief in my kitchen, I would do these things. The funniest part of the story was it extra. Why repetition helps? Let me explain. Repeating stories and questions train your brain to think in English. The more you practice, the faster you will improve. Final tips. Listen daily because only listening can help you improve your speaking. Use the shadow to speaking. Record yourself while answering the questions. Let's move to the conclusion. Thanks for practice with us. Keep watching for more fun stories and don't forget to subscribe. Happy learning.